Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. Congratulations to the t-shirt winners. The actual winners were Peter Kroger and Christoph B. But Peter asked me to give his shirt to Phil Avery. So to Phil and Christoph, well done guys, they'll be on the mail in the next few days. Today we're going to show you Whiteman Park. This is just maybe 15 k's out of Perth, and look at this. Bush everywhere. We got suburbs all around us, but we've got a wildlife park here, motor museum, a transport museum, a little narrow gauge railway. Anyway guys, it's easier if I show you. So for now, let's roll the intro. Now we're at the village Junction station. There's a train, it's a proper train, I'll film it in a minute. Does a 20-minute loop around the park. Very popular with kids, tourists and everything, but it gives you an idea of what's here. Look at this beautiful old building. The museum's over there. I'm just waiting for the train to come past so we can film it for you, then we'll go and see the museum. And then we'll go and show you a few other things. But Whiteman Park, guys, this is a day out here. You've got the Caversham Wildlife Park, you've got the Motor Museum, you've got the Train Museum, you've got this train, you've got cafes and things, and this is, like I said before, right on the outskirts of Perth, maybe 15, maybe 20 kilometres from the centre of Perth. Make the code word train. Yeah, the train station's just here. If I turn around, this is Revolution's Transport Museum here. We'll go in and have a look. And entry to the Transport Museum's by donation. But, like I said, let's go in and have a look. That really was informative. It's all about the evolution of transport in Western Australia. Australia is such a desert country. We started out with the camel trains that opened up the country and up to modern day transport. Very interesting. And we'll make the code word transport. And this is a visitors centre. We'll go and find out what else there is to do around here. Oh well, looks like there's a bit of a market there, baby. We'll go and have a look at that next. And we'll make the code word for here the same as the code words for all the information centres. Now, there's a market on we weren't expecting, but I just got told they have this every 3 months approximately. And it's a dog themed market, so there's a lot of stuff you can buy, stuff for your dogs, chew toys, leads and things, but there's food trucks, all sorts of stuff. So if you're going to come to Whiteman Park, check out the website, I'll put a link down below, and see if you can come on the day of the markets. Now we're in the Caversham Wildlife Park. A lot of Australian native animals here. You get to feed the kangaroos by hand. Beautiful, beautiful little spot, but better I show you than tell you. And if you come to the park, you can feed the kangaroos, the wallabies. Look at this, guys. And here I am right here. And that was well worth the visit, guys. And as I told you, I think in the hide and wave rock video, I'm not really into caged animals, but in here it gives you an idea of seeing, you get to see some native Australian animals you wouldn't normally see. They're very, very well looked after. Every corner you go around, there's a park keeper. Their health is amazing. They're really well looked after. So if they have to be in a cage, well, if they have to be in this sort of park, then this is the sort of park I'd rather they were in. And we'll make the code word for here, wildlife. And this is the Motor Museum, guys, and the wildlife park's just over there. The information centre's just here. The train station's just there. So all this is in the one little park. This is mostly private owned vehicles that are donated to the museum. They're, if you want to use your vehicle for a car show or something, you've just got to give them a couple of days notice, you can get it out. But I'm not sure if they're going to let me film in here for that reason. Not only did they allow me to film in there, but they didn't charge me to go in, which was really nice of them. It's pretty cheap getting in there anyway. And as you've seen, there's some of Australia and the world's, but you get to see some of Australia's unique cars. So now we're at Muscle Pool. You can come here on the little train we were on this morning, or you can come here on the tram. There's an old tram as well. Look at this adventure park. And by the sounds of all the kids laughing you can hear in the background, they all seem to be having a lot of fun. I didn't even know this part existed. I just wanted to point out, everywhere we've been today, there's so much car parking. We haven't had trouble parking anywhere. There's a little cafe over there that's shut at the moment because the whole park shuts in 5 minutes. You can still get in and out of the park, but all the attractions shut at 4 o'clock. And this is the Muscle Pool train station. You buy one ticket when you first get here in the day and you can use that little train all over the place. There's a tram, but that's a different ticket, and like an old tram, and there's an old bus as well, but it's each a different ticket, but there's a lot of money spent on this. And look around here, guys, would you believe this is in the middle of town. We got suburbs all around us here, and you thought you were going to see a whole Mad Dog video without a mural, but here's a mural behind me here at the Muscle Pool train station. And in the style of Bald and Bankrupt, it's a mosaic. And just on the outskirts of the park is this little lookout. You're going to go up and have a look and then head home. And we'll make the code word for here, tower. And I'm pretty sure you can't see it in this camera, but you would have seen it in that drone footage. That's the city right there. Look at this, guys, just bush, beautiful. Middle of the city, there's all suburbs all around us. Well, that really was a fun day. If you come here, guys, use a whole day. There's so much to do here. If you don't know what the code words were for, I'll put a link up here. The video explaining how you can win a Mavic Mini drone. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit the Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. Give me a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.